Say hi, Bonggi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Thanks for watching.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Say, Gi, Bonggi. Thanks for watching.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Look. Gina. Look na. What are you doing? What are you doing? May I say 10? 10 in your calculator.
Yeah.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Yeah.
That's also again.
May I see?
Yeah.
Close on my camera.
Yes.
Wow! Ang galing naman! Sino nagturo sa'yo niyan?
Me.
Only you? Self-study? Really? And guys, ang gusto talaga niya, calculator lang talaga. Pag pumasok siya dito sa loob ng kwarto, calculator talaga gusto niya. Dadalhin talaga niya doon yan sa labas pag uwi niya. How old are you, Bunggi? Bunggi, how old are you? Say hi, Bunggi. Bunggi, say hi.
No.
Look at camera. Look at camera, please.
He didn't want it back.
Look at camera. Ah.
You don't want it back. She's wanting this. Oh. He's down. He's swimming. And I'm walking.
Ah, guys, yun talaga, yun lang talaga gusto niya, calculator.
Abi, watch on me.
Ano na siya, panatag na siya dyan pag mag-calculator na siya. Gusto yatang mag-mathematician yata itong bata na ito eh. Mag-i-school ka na, Bungge? Ha? Next year?
Opo.
Wow! Ang galing naman. Saan ka mag-aaral?
Sa school.
Oh, tama nga naman. Tama.
What is that? Elevator penguin. Straight to the top. It's water.
Yan, Inglesero yan, guys. Inglesero, bata pa lang yan.
And he got to water. Water.
Inglesero yan. Hindi mo maano yan.
Helicopter water na. Elephant na penguin. So na helicopter penguin.
Ano, kumain ka na?
Yeah.
Really?
Kain ako paki.
Really?
Yeah.
What is your viand? Rice and fish? Huh?
Bakit? Dito ko kitigan brother. Dito nga ako. Intani ko na si dada ko.
Mga ruling tayo, Bunggi. Christmas na. Do you want? Mga ruling tayo?
Yeah.
Outside?
No. You will watch me as I bowl.
Ah, not allowed outside.
Yeah.
Barangay, manghuli ang barangay.
Ano ka dyan sa akin?
Ah, say hi, goodbye. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Si bye-bye, guys. Sige. Oh,
Bye-bye,
look at the
guys.
camera. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Galing ah. Yeah. Yun yung kapitbahay namin na nag-iisang bata lang dito sa ano ngayon. Ito sa compound namin. Si Bonggisi. Yan oh. Pwede na maging artista ito eh.